The 1485Fi can display a 16 by 6 ultra widescreen image. You need to configure the projector before using this option. First, loosen these screws and extend the mount arm. You can extend it to achieve a display width of up to 112 inches. After you extend the arm and retighten the screws, change the aspect ratio in the projector settings. Press Menu, then select Installation, Screen Type, and 16:6. Next, move the image up. Select Screen Position. Then press the up arrow button on the remote control to minimize the space between the wall mount and the projected image. When you're done moving the image, make sure the projector's EDID resolution is set to 1920 by 720. To change it, select Signal I/O, EDID, and 1920 by 720. Next, attach an HDMI cable between the projector and PC and change the PC's resolution to 1920 by 720 as well. To complete the ultra-widescreen setup, you will need to recalibrate the pens and touch unit.